You guys I don't know what you had said to the phones, and I had lost data, but I just connected with another phone. Okay, your number is still available. Prove that. Prove that tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C. All this is divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan C tan A minus tan B tan C. Hence, Monica is just coming. Hence, prove that if A, B, and C are angles of a triangle, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. Yeah, it's your number. You have 5 minutes to try out the. I have 5. Okay, 5 minutes. Yeah, start doing the number. That's the example number 20 in Backhouse 1. For those of us who visited, that was the first question I expected the people to send me. If truly you're people who solve the numbers, but the mere fact that you didn't solve numbers, you would not even get a feel of such interesting numbers. But you can have it now. So I'm sending you some more examples here so that you can take a look at from mastering. I told you those who want the book, you can inbox me, and then we find an arrangement of how to deliver the book. Just when I put the number, he ran away. In fact, that number, I'm going to leave it for you to do it. You have approximately 1 minute. Any person who has reached somewhere? Someone post their work on the group. No one is posting. What's happening? You see, you don't solve numbers, so you cannot even think outside the box and see yourselves get somewhere. Okay, according to what I've seen, no one has a number. Okay. Question 1. Today I will not. So next week I will introduce another definition, another identity. But please, you go to that page and solve that exercise. For example, tan of A plus B plus C can be got from, you first take the first two. You can treat the first two as one angle. When you treat them as one angle, you will have tan of A plus B plus C, and expand that one. When you expand that, you'll get tan of A plus B plus tan of C, all is over 1 minus tan of A plus B tan of C. Then go ahead and expand tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B, all is over 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan of C, all is under 1 minus tan A plus tan B, all is over 1 minus tan A tan B times tan of C. Now expand further. This is a fraction. This one will multiply up the tan C. This one is also a denominator. It will multiply up the 1. When you do that, what is going to happen? You will have tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Bring down the denominator, up the denominator in the numerator, 1 minus tan A, tan B, all is over now a new denominator in the numerator, which is 1 minus tan A, tan B, all is over the denominator, 1 in 2 brackets, 1 minus tan A, tan B, minus, there is a minus tan A, then times tan C, minus tan B, tan C, all is under 1 minus tan A, tan B. So the common divisor is this one. Let me even change its color. But this one is the same as this one. So I can lose those 2 by division. When I have lost those 2 by division, the numerator becomes tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A, tan B, tan C, all is divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B, minus tan A, tan C, minus tan B, tan C. Hashtag proof. There you go. Anyone who came close? The boy and the girls.
Yes.
Someone got it, eh?
Teacher, what if you first consider tan A, tan A, then
tan A, then B plus C, eh? You consider NA2 to be 1, then merge it with the other. Okay?
Okay.
NA2. You can say A and C, B and C, and expand. Now the last trick is in the last part. Hence prove that AB, if AB and C are angles of a triangle. Now, whenever this question comes, note, you note it in bold in your book. If they say it's a triangle, then always A plus B plus C. The total angle sum of a triangle is 180 what? Do you agree? That means the tangent of a triangle, the tangent of the angle sum of a triangle is going to be what? Tan of A plus B plus C is actually equal to tan of 180, which is actually equal to 0. Hence, if tan of A plus B plus C is 0, then remember we have seen tan A plus B plus C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A, tan B, tan C, all is over 1 minus tan A, tan B, minus tan A, tan C, minus tan B, tan C. We are saying is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, cross multiply up and down. Hence solution. Tan A, tan B, tan C, minus tan A. Okay, this was the first one, negative, plus tan A, tan B, plus tan C is 0. This concludes that the sum of tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to this product of tan A, tan B, and tan C. Hence proof. There you go. I doubt if someone goes that close. Did anyone try? So guys, you have all books, go try them out. Go try out numbers on compound angles. I told you trig has one problem. It is coming back everywhere. It is coming back anywhere, anyhow. Trig is always trig. Trig will always be back. Me, when it's back, I say the return of trig. I told you we are studying trig until we go back to school. Meaning there are so many definitions coming along our way. So if you don't solve maximally, you will see numbers the way you have been seeing this number. Those of you who are seeing fireworks. And that means all the other numbers that will show up, you definitely see them as if they are always new. You will always see them and you have no slight idea of where to start from. But if you solve very many numbers, trust me, you will have the capacity to think and say, this number requires double angle. This number requires compound angle of sine. This number requires compound angle of tan. This number needs sine squared plus cos squared. This one needs Pythagoras theorem. This one needs sec squared. This one needs cosec squared. Why? Because you have solved as many as possible. If that is possible, then you will be in position to handle as many numbers as possible. And you will be able to just see that this number requires this technique, requires this identity. But if you solve few, trust me, with our syllabus and our standard of setting, they will bring a number and you'll wonder where it's coming from. Yet it's coming from people's heads here on the earth's surface. Okay, the time is up. Unless if someone has a question. Do you have some questions for me? Just now more is available for all your questions. But if you just sit back there and relax with your questions and you don't send them out, it's a very wrong practice at advanced level. Whatever you do not understand, whatever questions you arrive at, once you give them a shot and you see that you're not leading, you're not going anywhere, you're not leading yourself to the final result, Always seek out for help by asking, by consulting the teacher, even consulting your friends, even consulting textbooks, even consulting Mr. Google and the internet. Okay? So if no further questions, allow me to stop here. Then we shall meet again next week. Okay.